Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Venmo. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. At the bottom right, tap on the Me or tab. This usually shows your profile picture. Now, tap the small setting gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the setting, look for the Face ID and passcode. Tap Face ID and passcode. Here you will see a switch for Face ID or Touch ID on the device with a home button. Turn the switch on to enable biometric. If this is your first time, then you will ask to create a passcode first. This is needed so that if Face ID or Touch ID won't work, you have a backup way to open the app. If phone may pop up message asking your confirm with Face ID or Touch ID, just follow the on-screen instruction and approve it. Now every time you open Venmo, you will have the option to use Face ID or Touch ID instead of typing your password. You must already have Face ID or Touch ID set up in the phone setting for this work. For that, go to the setting app. In the search bar, type Venmo and make sure Face ID and Touch ID are enabled for the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.